Today, you will learn how to make a booklet in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. When Word opens, click on New to create a new document. At the top, you'll see a search box where you can search for templates. In the search option, type Booklet and press Enter. Word will now show different booklet templates that are already designed and formatted for you. These templates are very useful for beginners because most of the hard work is already done automatically. In the Word Document Gallery window, you'll see many different booklet designs. Some are made for events, some for school projects, business presentations, travel guides, recipes, or simple informational booklets. On the right side, you can use the search bar to search with different keywords like event booklet, school project, brochure, magazine, or catalog to find a style you like better. Once you find a template you want to use, simply click on it and select Create. Word will automatically download the template and open it for editing. Now you can start customizing your booklet by replacing the sample text with your own content. You can type your own headings, paragraphs, contact details, and information. You can also insert your own pictures by clicking on any image placeholder and adding your own photos. If you want, you can also change the colors, fonts, and design style from the Design tab at the top. This helps make your booklet look more professional and attractive. Beginners often forget to save their work, so remember to save your document regularly. To save your booklet, click File, then Save As, choose a location on your computer, type a file name, and click Save. Now let's learn the second method, which is creating a booklet manually from scratch. This method gives you more control over the layout and is very useful when you want a custom booklet design. Start by opening a new blank Microsoft Word document. After that, go to the Layout tab at the top of Word. In the bottom right corner of the Page Setup section, click on the small arrow icon. This opens the Page Setup window where all booklet settings are available. Inside the Page Setup window, stay on the Margins tab. Look for the option called Multiple Pages. Click the drop-down menu and choose Bookfold. As soon as you select Bookfold, Word automatically changes the page layout into booklet format. This means the pages will be arranged correctly for folding and printing like a real booklet. Here, you'll see an option called Gutter. The gutter is the extra space left for binding or stapling the booklet. If you plan to staple or bind your booklet, increase the gutter size slightly so none of the text gets hidden after printing. Next, open the Paper tab. Here you can choose the paper size you want to use, such as A4, letter, or other sizes. One important thing beginners should know is that the final booklet page size becomes half of the paper size you choose. For example, if you select A4 paper, each booklet page will look like half an A4 sheet after folding. Now go to the Layout tab in the same Page Setup window if you want to customize the booklet further. You can add page borders, adjust vertical alignment, or improve the overall appearance. Borders can make your booklet look cleaner and more professional. After you finish adjusting all the settings, click OK. Now your document is fully converted into a booklet format. You can now start typing your content normally, and Word will automatically arrange the pages in the correct booklet order. You can now add titles, headings, paragraphs, images, shapes, tables, logos, page numbers, and anything else you want inside your booklet. You can also use the Insert tab to add pictures, icons, text boxes, or charts to make your booklet more visually appealing. If you already typed your content before changing the layout into a booklet format, don't worry. Word usually reformats the text automatically to fit the booklet style. Sometimes, after adding all your content, the booklet becomes too long. In that case, you can split it into multiple smaller booklets. To do this, go back to Layout, open Page Setup, and under Margins, look for Pages and then Sheets per booklet. Here, you can choose how many pages should be included in each booklet section. Now let's talk about printing, because this is the part where many beginners get confused. If you used one of Word's ready-made booklet templates, printing is very easy because the template is already designed with correct page orientation. All you need to do is click File and then Print. But if you created a booklet manually, you need to check the print settings carefully before printing. After selecting File and then Print, look for your printer settings. First, check whether your printer supports automatic double-sided printing. If your printer supports printing on both sides automatically, go to Settings and select Print on both sides. If your printer does not support automatic printing on both sides, choose Manually Print on both sides instead. Word will print one side first, then ask you to reinsert the pages into the printer. Before printing the full booklet, it's always a good idea to print one test page first. This helps you make sure the page order, margins, and flipping direction are correct. It can save you paper, ink, and time. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel,